Welcome student. Today we are going to see about the effect of temperature on the surface tension and the applications of surface tension. Now see the effect of temperature on the surface tension. For all liquids, as the temperature increases, the surface tension goes on decrease. And this decrease in the surface tension of the liquid due to increase in the temperature due to the thermal agitation in the liquid. What is meant by thermal agitation? Thermal agitation is nothing but a ceaseless random motion of the constituent, and this ceaseless random motion of the constituent which is associated with the heat is nothing but a thermal agitation. Now due to this thermal agitation, this surface tension goes on decrease as the surface tension increases, and as the temperature increases, surface tension goes on decrease. But at or near a critical temperature, there is a ceaseless surface tension and it becomes a zero. Are you getting clear? समझ में आ रहा है? As the temperature increases, टेम्परेचर जैसा जैसा बढ़ते जाएगा वैसा वैसा उस लिक्विड का सरफेस टेंशन कम कम होते जाएगा, और एट और नियर अ क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर देयर इज अ सीजलेस सरफेस टेंशन, मीन्स सरफेस टेंशन tends to become a zero. Now see some examples. There are two examples. We have taken two liquids for the study of effect of temperature on the surface tension. Temperature initially 273 Kelvin. Later on temperature increases, it becomes 293 Kelvin. Later on again still increase to 313 Kelvin. In this way temperature increases. But what happens about the surface tension? If first of all water is taken, then the surface tension of water in the Newton per meter into each value multiplied by 10 raised to power 2 is measured. Then it will be observed that for water at 273 Kelvin the surface tension becomes 7.56. As temperature increases, temperature becomes 293, again less than this 7.5, it becomes a 7.28. Still increase in the temperature 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin for water. There is increase in the temperature, still decrease that surface tension becomes a 6.96, means less than 7.28. This experimental data told us that for water, as the temperature increases from 273 to 313 Kelvin, then the surface tension goes on decrease. Second example, ethyl alcohol is taken. For the same temperature, that is 273 Kelvin, the surface tension becomes 240 into 10 raised to power 2 Newton per meter. As the temperature increases, less than 240, that is 2.23 Kelvin at 293 Kelvin. Still increase in the temperature, still decrease in the surface tension. Now besides this, we may see the various examples, toluene, acetone, or any liquid that is benzene. We may study the same thing happens. As temperature increases for any liquid, the surface tension goes on decrease. Now see the applications of surface tension. You know the medicines, emulsions, some colloids, some solutions are there. In order to study these colloids and the emulsion, surface tension knowledge of surface tension is essential. Then and then we are able to study the emulsion and colloid. Again, the surface tension is important factor in the concentration of ores by the flotation process. In the inorganic chemistry, we studied previously this flotation process. There must be a knowledge of a surface tension, then and then we are able to study the concentration of ores by flotation process. And surface tension is also important in bacteriology. Bacteriology is a branch of microbiology. it deals with the study of bacteria. There is a effect of surface tension on the growth of bacteria also. Now the next application, surface tension is important factor for the movement of moisture or movement of water from root or to the apex of the plant. You know, water or soil moisture is present at the bottom or in the soil. If plant or any, we can say, tree is there, then that water flows from root to the apex. Why it is so? It is only the due to the surface tension or sap present in the we can say tree. It is also moves in the upper part. It is due to the surface tension. Now the surface tension is important for the determination of parature value of liquid. There is one formula, parature value of any liquid, that is a parenthesis P is equals to mass upon density into gamma raised to 1/4. If you want to measure this parature value, you must know the gamma. What is gamma? Gamma is the surface tension. Means this surface tension is used for the determination of parature value of liquid. Now it is important in the preparation of soap, creams, then medicinal emulsions and all these things. In the determination or in the study of surfactants, if we have various type of surfactants are there, Nirma is there, then other surf is there. If you prepare different solutions and you want to study the cleaning ability, which solution or which material among these various surfactants is a good cleaner, then you must know the knowledge of the surface tension, because the surface tension decreases, then the cleaning ability increases. Means if you have taken a different surfactant, their solutions particular definite 1 gram is taken in each solution and same material is clean with the help of this, then you will be observed among these all surfactants, the lower is the surface tension, then more is the cleaning ability of that surfactant or that solution of that material. Now in this way the surface tension is also useful in the study or to detect the presence of air bubble in the blood and bile salts in the urine. This is the medicinal use of this surface tension. If you know the surface tension, if you know the what is meant by surface tension, this application of surface tension is useful for the determination of presence of air bubbles in the blood. If patient is there, if there are some air bubbles in the blood, and if you want to measure or you want to detect or you want to study, you must have a knowledge of this surface tension or bile salts, determination of bile salts in the urine, that is Hayes test for the salts. HAYS, Hayes test. Which test? Hayes test for salt. It is a laboratory method. For this you must have a knowledge of surface tension. In this way, these are the various medicinal, industrial, in day-to-day life, that is we studied how it is useful in the soap and all this thing. These are nothing but different applications of this surface tension.